Today we're going to be exploring the 5 ways to represent a linear function within a Cartesian graph and in 2D. The first way being through a line's general function as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Our second way, which is probably the most familiar with all our viewers, would be point-intercept form, slope-intercept form, which is represented through y is equal to kx plus b, with the value of k being the line slope and the point of 0, b being the y-intercept for the linear function represented by y is equal to kx plus b. The third way to represent a linear function is through understanding 2 points that the line passes through, which I have labeled through point A as x0, y0, and point B being x1, y1. Through 2 points, we can find its equation to be x0 minus x1 divided by y0 minus y1 is equal to x, which is the variable, minus x0 divided by y, the second variable, minus y0. This will give us the linear function, which represents this line as shown within the graph. The fourth way to represent a linear function would be through only understanding 1 point the line passes through, but given its slope to be k. Therefore, through the slope and 1 point that the line passes through, we can find the linear equation to be x minus x0, the point we know in this circumstance, so we do not know point B in this example, is equal to k, its slope, multiplied by y minus y0. This expression will give us the linear function as well. And the fifth and final way would be through understanding the x and y intercepts that the line goes through, which in this graph will be this point right here, which I'm going to be representing as point C, and this point right here, point D. And to assume the distance from the origin of the x-intercept as A and the distance from the y-intercept from the origin as B, we can write the function to be x divided by A plus y divided by B will give us 1, with A and B being non-equal to 0, and A and B being the line's respective intercepts for the both x-axis and the y-axis. And these are the 5 ways to represent a linear function through algebra.